tax is mandatory contribution to the state or by private person or a coercive body based on the acts, which do not get rewarded directly and are used for state needs for the greatest prosperity of the people. Number 1. Tax direct. Tax which must be borne by the taxpayer himself and cannot be charged or delegated to someone else. Example, income tax. Number 2. Tax indirect. Tax whose burden can be delegated to another party. Example, value added tax or PPN in Indonesia. Number 3 and Number 1, self-assessment system. This is a tax collection system that involves the determination of the amount of tax that taxpayers need to pay independently. It can be said that taxpayers have an active role in calculating as well as paying and reporting their taxes. Here the government acts as a supervisor for each taxpayer in the self-assessment system. Number 2, official assessment system. This official assessment collection system is different from the previous self-assessment system, where the official assessment tax collection system emphasizes the authority in determining the amount of tax owed to the tax officer, where the tax officer acts as a tax collector who is charged to a taxpayer. In the tax collection system, each taxpayer plays a passive role and the value of the tax payable will be known after the issuance of a tax assessment letter by the tax officer. Number 3, withholding system. In the tax collection system, the amount of tax that must be paid is calculated by a third party, where the third party in question is not a taxpayer and also not a tax officer. For example, in cutting the income earned by an employee, where this is done by TSUR or an agency or HRD in a company. So, the employee in question no longer needs to take care of tax deduction and pay his tax. There are many tax rates in Indonesia depending on the type of tax. Number 1, income tax for individual use progressive rate of 5%, 50%, 25%, and 30%. The income tax for the corporate is 22%. If the turnover excess of 4.8 billion and for turnover below 4.8 billion, to the rate is 0.5% of gross business turnover and is final. Number 2, value added tax has a fixed rate of 10% of the tax base value. You can open the official tax website at. There are also many notices regarding the latest tax regulation and other important information related to tax.